Head relaxation. First step, opening the heavenly gate, alternately pluck upwards along the glabella with your thumbs. Second step, smooth horizontally from the glabella to the outer ends of the eyebrows. Third step, gently press the Jingming acupoint. Fourth step, gently stroke the eye area. Fifth step, gently knead the Taiyang acupoints on both sides. Sixth step, rub the ears. Seventh step, knead the sides of the neck. Eighth step, gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head. Ninth step, lift and grasp the neck. 10th step, use your knuckles to massage the gallbladder meridian.
Shoulder and neck massage supine position 10 steps, part 1. First step, pinch and grasp here. 4 fingers below, thumb above. Apply force simultaneously. Pinch and grasp upwards. Continue pinching and grasping upwards about 30 times. Second step, use this technique to lift the neck. Lift upwards from the cervical spine. The force must be deep and gentle. Lift upwards about 30 times. Third step, 4 fingers lift upwards from this point. Lift upwards from here. Different perspectives, check both sides. Come over from this point. Then come over from this point. Lift about 30 times. Fourth step, hands flick upwards from this point. 4 fingers flick upwards to the area behind the ear. Interested friends, remember to bookmark and follow. Study slowly. You will feel very relaxed after doing this. Fifth step, lie on your side. Stay tuned for the next episode. Fifth step, from the neck, move downwards, using both thumbs to knead and press down. Continuously press down. Keep pressing until this area. Repeat about 10 times, pressing down until reaching this point feels good. Sixth step, apply pressure here. Stay for about 10 seconds. Release, then relax. You'll feel very comfortable at this point. Seventh step, apply firm pressure here. Again, stay for about 10 seconds, apply deep pressure. Alright, release and gently relax. Eighth step. Using both thumbs, press down from this point. Ensure your hands are firm. Use a gentle technique. If it feels sore in this area, after pressing, you'll experience relief, feeling very comfortable. Ninth step. Use the elbow to press down from this point, then pull upwards. Press down, pull upwards. Press down, pull upwards. Repeat this motion about 30 times. Alright, the final step, 10th step, use our warm palms to press downward. Downward. From this angle, press downward. From another angle, press downward. After completing this, the entire shoulder will feel very relaxed.
5-step home back meridian massage method. Step 1. Push and pluck the Dashui acupoint area. Step 2. Push the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides. Step 3. Push both sides of the scapula, point and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 5. Push the governing vessel in the middle to the waist. Then clench fists and rub the back until warm. Strengthen the entire back. Be gentle on the spine, do not apply too much pressure. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back muscles.
Regularly using your arms, I always feel uncomfortable in this area. How can we relax? First of all, with the elbow bent, find this sharp bone protrusion. Okay, we follow this sharp point along the position of the elbow in this direction, then push inward until this groove, gently knead and rub. There may be some soreness. It's that kind of sour feeling. Let's rub here for a minute, rub for a minute. Okay, then along the arm, this entire line, let's relax it. Relax, lift her arm. Don't let it exert any force. Let's knead and rub it back and forth like this. How does it feel? It hurts too, right? That kind of sour pain. Use the pad of your finger, press down and rub. Every point, relax her there too. Okay, this line 1 minute, this point also 1 minute, a total of 2 minutes. After completing the whole process, her arm will feel much lighter.
Nice.
Aging begins with the legs. There is one area we must pay attention to, our legs. On the back of our legs are distributed 4 important meridians. The first one is a combined thumb push. The middle meridian is our bladder meridian, gently kneading until the popliteal fossa, then withdrawing from the thigh. 1.5 inches lateral to it is our liver meridian. Use our finger pads to dredge this meridian with circular kneading. .5 inches lateral to the liver meridian is our kidney meridian. Also use the same method of kneading and plucking, or alternately push upwards with the thumb pads. The outermost meridian is our gallbladder meridian. Use the thumb knuckles to push bidirectionally, pushing upwards like this. Hi everyone! Want to feel better from head to toe? Try a foot massage. It's a surprisingly effective way to support your overall well-being. You see, your feet are connected to all sorts of different parts of your body, including your internal organs. Massaging the areas related to your kidneys can help them work better and flush out toxins. And focusing on the areas for your digestive system can ease constipation and improve gut health. It can even help with reproductive health. Plus, if you have any aches or pains in your joints, like your shoulders, elbows, or knees, massaging the corresponding reflex areas on your feet can bring relief and improve flexibility. It's a simple and natural way to give your whole body a boost.